I think you want to see them.
Yeah. So we're gonna. Yeah. Jackson floured that area. He's got his roller.
And these are all the cookies we're gonna make.
Yeah. So you want some dough?
Yeah.
Here is some sugar cookie dough.
It's almost the party for 100 at my school.
Yeah, 100 days Jax has been in school. Do you like school so far?
Almost.
Almost 100 days. Do you love school so far?
Yeah.
Isn't it the best place ever?
Ah!
Ah.
Get off there. Get off. Oh,
All right.
I
I'm going to help you.
I touched it.
I'm going to help you a little bit. It's okay to touch it. I'm going to help you a little bit, and then we're going to show them more.
Hey, get out.
You're going to make it like a rock?
Yeah, I already did.
Like a volcano. You're doing a good job.
Where's this guy?
Keep rolling them.
Me. I really wish I could take a bite.
I know, but there's raw eggs in there, so we don't eat raw cookie dough, guys.
Well, it still looks good.
It's looking really good.
Could someone
What a
help
good
me?
job. I'll come over and help
I'm
you.
gonna put them in. I'm going to do this blue one.
Okay, cool. Is that a butterfly?
Yeah.
Ooh, look at that.
Gingerbread
butterfly.
man time.
Gingerbread man. Brr.
Teddy bear.
Bloop.
Another teddy bear. What is this one?
Oh, it looks like a deer. Reindeer. Is it? What is that? Let me see this.
Looks like a bird to me. Well, you figure that out. I'm going to do this one. It's an elephant, I think.
I really don't. Oh, is this mistletoe? It might be mistletoe.
Penguin
Oh,
time.
elephant. Penguin.
Get in. And we're going to the zoo tomorrow.
We're going to the zoo tomorrow. All right, let's get these guys out of there and onto there.
We're doing this. We're going to do big things last. Well, we're going to the penguin. Oh. Penguin's head came off, but it's okay.
That's okay. Squish them on there.
They won't get bigger. They're just going to get that tall, right?
Yeah, they just get a little bit bigger.
Yeah. Just one soy away. And then.
Go.
Okay, guys, we made all of them.
Yeah, and we're going to make some more. Let's put them in the oven.
No, we already did.
We already did. Let's go. Oh, you want to put some chocolate chips on?
Yeah, just keep going.
Let's get some more. Let's put some chocolate chips.
Mama, Dada,
Yes.
did we give Mama one of those Valentine's bags and it has these 2 cookies inside?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
We can make a bunch of them. Okay, let's put these chips on. We decorated.
The cookies, and now
And now we're going to put them in the oven.
and I'm getting the bags ready.
You're getting some bags ready for Mama. Mama's cookies are going to go in there.
No, Mama's cookies are going to go in the bag. And I'm going to make bags for Mama. Making bags.
Go.
Hi everybody, we back with the video, and this is Addy.
Addy, we made her some cookies. Wait, let's look at the tray. Here's our main. We're going to make some more. Here they are. Here's the tray. Here's how they came out. They're a little bit puffy.
Yeah,
We'll see how the next batch comes out.
They puffy.
Yeah, let's go upstairs and give Addy her cookies.
Yeah.
See what she
Addy
thinks.
has one, and it's a butterfly.
Yeah.
It's got one of the butterflies.
Yeah, let's go. And that's Adam's family.
Yeah.
Should we start it over when Addy comes down?
Yeah.
Because
No.
she loves the beginning when he goes, "Get out!"
No, we got that all the time in the movie.
Okay.
So I'm going to give this to Addy.
Okay, let's give this to Addy.
Wait, I'm going to say free cookies. Free cookies! Who wants some free cookies?
Who wants a cookie?
Free cookie! A cookie in the bag.
Look what Jaxie got
Look, I
you.
got 2 of your favorite things. A baggie and a cookie inside of the baggie.
Jaxie
Look
made
inside.
that for you.
Look inside. It's a cookie.
Cookie for Addy.
It's a butterfly.
Say thank you, Jackie.
And a bag.
A bag with hearts.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you like
You ready?
it? What?
You ready to go downstairs? Do you want to get some milky? Are you so excited?
We
Are you
have
mine is bone?
Addy, guess
Addy, we
what?
have more. You ready to go downstairs?
We have even more, but the other ones, one is for mommy, okay?
Yeah.
Mom,
Mommy's present?
yeah. No, that's
Yeah,
your present.
That's your present. We're going to make Mommy a present too.
Yeah. Yeah, actually
Yeah.
we already made mommy a present.
What? Yeah, shh. We did. You want to go downstairs and watch Adam's Family?
Yeah.
And eat cookies? Or make Mama presents? Jaxie, what do you want to do?
Cookies. Well, I still have to work on the cookies, and I really want one.
Okay, we got to go check the ones that we made. Let's go, guys.
Do you want a Mickey Mouse cookie? Yeah.
Who's that, Addy? Yay!
I want to have this one.
Mickey. What, baby? Mommy, what?
Mommy's home back.
Mommy's home back. Mama's coming back home.
Yeah.
Can you say it?
Give us a big thumbs up if you like this video and hit that subscribe button to join our happy family.